On Saturday night, April 12, 2025, tragic news struck the world of college football. Former LSU wide receiver Kyren Lacy was found dead in Houston. He was just 24 years old. LSU confirmed the heartbreaking news to ESPN on Sunday. This shocking development comes at a time when Lacy was facing serious legal challenges. In today's video, we will cover everything that's known so far: the circumstances of his passing, the criminal charges he was facing, and his journey from a college athlete to an NFL draft hopeful. This story is a blend of talent, controversy, and tragedy, and it continues to raise questions that remain unanswered. Kyren Lacy began his college football career at the University of Louisiana before transferring to LSU, where he played for 3 seasons. In his final year with the Tigers, Lacy had his breakout season, catching 58 passes for 866 yards and a team-high 9 touchdowns. He was widely regarded as one of the top wide receiver prospects going into the 2024 NFL Draft. In fact, in December, ESPN's Mel Kiper ranked him as high as the number 6 receiver prospect in the country. He participated in LSU's Pro Day in March, showcasing his skills to scouts and coaches in hopes of securing a spot in the NFL. However, Lacy's career and life took a dramatic turn just 2 days before he officially declared for the draft. On December 17, 2024, Kyren Lacy was allegedly involved in a fatal car crash in Louisiana. According to the Louisiana State Police, Lacy was driving a 2023 Dodge Charger on Louisiana Highway 20. He was reportedly speeding and illegally passing several vehicles by crossing the center line in a no-passing zone. In doing so, he forced a northbound pickup truck to brake and swerve to avoid a head-on collision. Tragically, a 2017 Kia Cadenza that was behind the pickup also tried to take evasive action. The vehicle crossed into the southbound lane and collided head-on with a 2017 Kia Sorento. One of the passengers in the Sorento, 78-year-old Herman Hall from Thibodaux, Louisiana, later died from injuries sustained in the crash. Police allege that Lacy did not stop at the crash scene. He reportedly drove around the wreckage and left without rendering aid, calling emergency services, or informing authorities. On January 12, Lacy turned himself into authorities. He was charged with negligent homicide, felony hit-and-run resulting in death, and reckless operation of a vehicle. He was released on $151,000 bail, and a grand jury was set to begin hearing evidence on the case the following Monday, just 2 days after his death. LSU issued a statement expressing their condolences, saying, "We're saddened to learn of the tragic passing of former LSU football student-athlete Kyren Lacy. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family and loved ones, as well as his former teammates and coaches impacted by his passing." Lacy's attorney, Matthew Ory, also released a statement, urging the media and public to allow the family time to grieve. "It is with profound sorrow that we confirm the tragic passing of Kyren Lacy. First and foremost, we ask that the public and the media give his family the space and time they need to grieve this unimaginable loss in peace." Ory went on to express concerns about the ongoing investigation. "I was very confident that the evidence, after being fully collected and reviewed, would lead to a declination of charges. We will be demanding a full and transparent review of how this investigation was conducted and why." Lacy's agent, Rocky Arsenault, had previously stated that Lacy was cooperating fully with the authorities. As of now, the cause of Kyren Lacy's death has not been officially released. Whether his death was accidental, self-inflicted, or involved other circumstances remains unclear. Investigators have yet to confirm any details. This story is not just about a promising athlete whose career was on the rise. It's about the deep complexity of choices, consequences, and human fragility. Kyren Lacy's life was marked by athletic excellence, but also clouded by a legal situation that now may never see a resolution. What happens next will depend on the findings of the ongoing investigations, both into his death and the December crash. One thing, however, remains certain: his loss is deeply felt by his family, former teammates, coaches, and fans who had watched his journey unfold. This is a developing story, and we will continue to follow any updates as they become available. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth coverage on stories like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about this tragic situation and how you think it will be remembered in the sports community. Thanks for watching, and may Kyren Lacy rest in peace.